I responded to all the comments on my YouTube channel. One of them. The other one, I get too many comments. I can't respond to everybody. And now I'm literally on my way back to Burbank. I also took an hour break. And Uber gave me around 15 bullshit opportunities, right? I said no to everything. I know around 4 o'clock, Burbank Airport is going to be nice. I'll go there, I'll relax, I'll work a little bit, and then I'll do a back-to-back ride from there again and make another 50 bucks. So when it's slow and I'm not making money, then I do back-to-back rides. But I like to start from an airport. And if Burbank is 25 minutes away and about 8 miles away, then that basically means from here to there, while the app is on, I have the potential of getting a bigger ride. And you also have to understand, right now in Hollywood, there's too many people. There's too many drivers, right? Because there's too many drivers, there's no way we are gonna get like a Prime. I might get lucky with Uber XL, but most likely, like, it's just garbage. And garbage is basically the container and the whole 8 videos that I made earlier today, talking about how to deal with the container. Look at that. Just by me turning on the app, I've already said no to about 15 passenger rides, right? But right now, another 3 or 4 popped up while I just started making this video. And my point is this: how dangerous is this as an Uber driver, right? For gig workers, right? Even on the Lyft app, right? How dangerous is this, right? We shouldn't have to deal with this while we're driving. This traffic I got to deal with, and this is why I document this. What these app companies and technology companies are doing is wrong. God forbid somebody gets into an accident because they're trying to look at the app and doing like, I have to look here, I have to read all of that. The only time I'm going to click on it is if something's around 20 bucks. I might click on it, right? If it's not around 20 bucks, I'm not even about, like right now, I'm not reading anything. I just keep saying no. I keep saying no. But this is distracted driving. This is dangerous. Not only is it dangerous for me, it's dangerous for all the other people that are here, right? Like, again, I'm going to say no, right? All the people that are next to me, is dangerous for them, right? God forbid one of them can hit me, I can hit one of them, right? So these technologies companies should not be allowed to do this. I'm hoping some lawyer, some judge out there one day watches my videos and says, what the hell? What are these technology companies doing? What is the CEOs of Silicon Valley doing? What is Dara Korashikukakaka, whatever his freaking name is? What is this guy doing? Look at this. This is how busy it is. But they don't want to pay the drivers? Learn to drive like me. Do not accept anything. Go to the airport. You know, if you've been watching my videos today, I've already made $100. My goal on a Tuesday, so it's Tuesday, right? My goal on Tuesday is to make 150. I just need to make 50 more bucks. Maybe I end up at $200 because it's a holiday weekend. It'll pick up at night. If not, I'm going to keep driving like this. I'm going to keep saying no to everything. I'm going to keep posting videos on my YouTube channel. I'm hoping some lawyer, some judge, somebody with a heart out there, or some organization sees my videos and says, hey, this guy is literally telling us what the CEOs of these tech companies are doing to other drivers, other gig workers. I'm pretty sure DoorDash, same thing. Lyft, same goddamn thing, right? And my apologies, right? Look, $10 to go 20 minutes. Okay, that's not bad. But I don't want to end up at Sunset, right? I don't. And I don't want to take someone that's a 472. And because there's traffic, I was able to do... Look at this. Look at how many things are popping up. No. And you know, the trolls on my channel are probably clicking on these $5 rides. Then they get mad and they get jealous when they see yesterday I made $300 in 8 rides, right? And they start whining. They start whining and they start complaining. There's a troll right there that went next to me. Right? They start whining and they start complaining. But that is okay. I don't mind. Right? Look, another 4-minute video, me showing you how busy it is. Man, this needs to go into my container series, right? Look at this. I've at least said no to 20 rides while I started making this video. And I'm going to keep doing that until one pops up. That's a cherry that's worth taking, right? This is how busy it is. This is how many passengers that need a ride, right? There's a police car coming. Every time we say no, guess what? The algorithm goes crazy. Here comes an ambulance. Tahoe Drive. I don't know where that is. I have to stop right now because ambulance is coming. I guess it's not coming this way. It is coming. It's stuck in the lane next to me. So I'm gonna pull over to the right. This is the best thing about America, guys. We just pull over. Come on, Mr. Ambulance, let's go, let's go. Hey, listen to this. Now, all the trolls behind me are gonna go. Look, these guys are moving. They wait 1 second. Right when the ambulance passes, they run, they jet. Hey guys, my energy's off the roof today, right? This is why I wear red. If you watch my YouTube short from today, you'll know. Wearing red gives you a lot of energy. No. But what I will do is I'll park next to Universal Studios and Warner Brother for a little bit. Or I'll just keep going like this slowly all the way to Burbank. Man, I got another 6-minute video showing you how crazy it is. I think in this video, I'm basically gonna say, I need to come up with a title right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna say something like, watch me say no to 20 Uber rides. 22 Uber rides. Look at that. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I'm hoping I get lucky and I unpause and I cherry pick, because that will be a cool video. Like saying no to 20, 25 Uber rides and getting out of this crazy area, right? It's still doing its thing. Look at that. It's still going crazy. Now I'm about to exit for Universal Studios. I'll sit there and wait a little bit. But I'm on the freeway, so the audio should be a little bit better. This is actually a good test for me. Oh my God. Look how busy it is. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. By the way, the cut that I made on the freeway across 4 lanes is one of the hardest that you have to do in order to get to Universal Studios in Burbank. But I've done it so many times, I've just memorized it. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and I'll unpause it. Hopefully I get a ride at Universal Studios or Warner Brother. If not, then I'll make a new video and then start again. But I do want to upload this video, let you guys know how to say no to 25 Uber rides or 25 crappy rides from Uber algorithm. I don't know, I'll come up with a title. Actually, maybe I'll ask you, what should be the title of this video? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Look at this. Ridiculous. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna upload this video. I'm taking a break. I got close to Universal Studios, so I'll start a new video, and I'm close to Warner Brothers, right? I am still headed to Burbank, right? But in the comments, let me know what the title of this video should be. I'm gonna call it something like, please share this video with a lawyer or a judge. That's the title of this video. Because only a lawyer and a judge can help us Uber drivers, right? Because this algorithm's just gone crazy, and these executives have gone crazy. And I'll tell you why. Because nobody in Uber is driving and nobody in Lyft is driving like the way that we do it, right? It's still going crazy. Look, I'm paused so I can actually pay attention to this. 5.0 for $12. It wants me to go 9 minutes to pick up somebody. Okay, well, by the time I read it, it's already gone. Like, how are we supposed to do that while we're driving? That's my question. While I'm driving and all of that's popping up, how are we supposed to do that? Now, literally, this is what I have to do. I have to turn all these settings off. I have to turn Connect off. I have to turn Pet off, right? I have to turn Uber X off. Oh, shit. Okay, don't do that, don't do that. No. There's another trick I have here. Look, I have to go offline now. If you accidentally match, just go offline. That's the trick with you guys. I accidentally matched on that, okay? Now, my point is this. That's another cool trick, by the way. Just go offline and you won't get matched with that person. Now, my point is this. In this video, it's gonna say, share this video with a lawyer or a judge, please. If your family or friend is a lawyer, share it with them and tell them this is what Uber drivers and Lyft drivers and gig workers have to do, and how is that safe? How is that safe? This is distracted driving, right? And the only reason I'm recording this is to put it up and let you guys know, like, us drivers should not have to deal with a situation like this, right? I'm a very calm person, right? But right now I'm a little bit frustrated because it's unsafe. This is distracted driving, right? I can get hurt. Someone else can get hurt. Someone can get run over, right, by a car, because the app keeps making us, and it has that annoying sound. I have actually these headphones on, so I don't hear the sound. The sound is down here, and I just hear a little little. Imagine if you're driving, right? All you're gonna hear is this sound that they use to brainwash you and to control you. It's so freaking annoying. But please share this video with a lawyer or a judge, and comment below and let me know if you're frustrated as an Uber driver, as a Lyft driver, and my question is this: how is this safe, and how is this not distracted driving? Okay, now I'm gonna make another video.